November is World Quality Month. And yesterday was World Quality Day. World Quality Day is the second Thursday of November, typically. Dr. Shekhar Bojraj, where are you? Dr. Pramath Raj Sinha, Mr. Saugata Gupta, Dr. Rachita Dhurat, where are you? Mrs. Rashmi Mishra, Mr. Nilesh Nimkar, and Dr. Vaibhav Tidke. Where are you? Thank you. Good evening. On behalf of the trustees of Kimpro Foundation, a warm welcome to our 35th Kimpro Awards ceremony, a celebration of individual excellence in quality, benchmark excellence. As you are aware, we have two categories of awards. Kimpro Platinum Standard for a quality and excellence statesperson at the national level. An evangelist for transforming Made in India into a trustworthy asset. Kimpro Gold Standard for a leader who has used quality and excellence to transform a specific organization. A visionary, a strategist, customer-focused, employee-focused. The roll of honor for our past Kimpro Platinum Standards and Kimpro Gold Standards will be displayed on the LED screen after the ceremony. They are benchmark statespersons and leaders, making India proud. Our process for selecting the awardees is simple. It is difficult to be simple. And therefore, the selection process is tough, very tough. We receive nominations from past awardees primarily. A separate dossier is prepared by Kimpro Foundation for each of the panels. It contains profiles of all platinum and gold nominees. The relevant dossier is sent to all panel members ahead of the meeting. Each panel of judges has a roundtable meeting in August to discuss and evaluate the nominee and zero in on the specific awardees. Discussions last for approximately 2 hours. It is not mandatory to select a Kimpro Platinum or Kimpro Gold Standard. Our Kimpro Platinum Standards for 2025 are Dr. Pramath Raj Sinha, founder and trustee of Ashoka University. Dr. Shekhar Bojraj, founder, past president and chief trustee, the Spine Foundation. Our Kimpro Gold Standards for 2025 are Mr. Nilesh Nimkar, founder and director of Quest, Quality Education Support Trust. Mrs. Rashmi Mishra, Founder Chairperson, Vidya Integrated. Development for Youth and Adults, Vidya India. Dr. Rachita Durat, Organizing Chairperson, Trichology Update. Professor and Head Department of Dermatology, LTM Medical College and Hospitals. Mr. Saugata Gupta, Managing Director and CEO of Marico. And Dr. Vaibhav Tidke, CEO and co-founder, S4S Technologies. Please note, platinum and gold are distinctly different. Macro for platinum, micro for gold. Kimpro Foundation is governed by trustees and mentored by patrons. Each is an independent thinker, each constructive in their concerns and recommendations. We have 7 trustees: Dr. Ashok Agarwal, Surendra Baliga, Dr. Deepak Garg, Neeta Luthria Rao, Roma Pereira Talwar, Anshuman Tiwari, and myself. We also have 7 mentor patrons: Dr. Adi Dastur, NH Israni, Dr. Shakuntala Lula, Dr. KK Noria, Tarjani Vakil, Roger Pereira, and Dr. Rajan Saxena. Our CEO is Jigisha Lulla, and our manager, Fatima Kera. You all must have already interacted with them at some point. Let us now celebrate the achievements of the 7 awardees. They have 3 common qualities, actually 4. Each is a proud citizen of India. Each has principle-driven values. Each has a logical left brain coupled with a creative right brain, delivering breakthroughs, solutions for their respective challenges. In other words, effective problem solvers. Fourth, this is a new one. Each is a qualitist at heart. The citations will expand on each one's unique contributions, nurturing excellence for a quality India. Please put your hands together for these professionals. Before I conclude, I wish to share that Kimpro Foundation has 2 social endeavors, one in education and the other in healthcare, both from past of CSR. At Kimpro, we begin with students, the change makers of tomorrow. We groom them into job-ready professionals who can drive process efficiency and process improvement wherever they go. For these students, quality is defined by the customer. Our programs go beyond theory. They equip students with the real-world problem-solving skills. They are taught to identify a problem, define the problem, diagnose the problem, remedy the chronic problem. The problems that impact performance in manufacturing, services, and healthcare and education. Unfortunately, chronic problems get budgeted for. So we need to do fire prevention instead of firefighting. Students learn through structured learning and hands-on mentoring by Kimpro certified qualities. These students deliver results that matter, reducing waste, reducing costs, and improving outcomes. And most important, they create customer delight. These young professionals are the next generation of India's qualities. They lead the change, making quality improvement a way of life. As they evolve in their careers, they continue their improvement journeys, aspiring to earn the prestigious Kimpro Gold Standard and Kimpro Platinum Standard that has celebrated 35 years. In conclusion, we seek your collaboration to introduce Kimpro Foundation to educational institutions and hospitals. We believe India can make it and make it better. Finally, the trustees and patrons of Kimpro Foundation acknowledge with deep gratitude the support for Kimpro Awards from our gold sponsors, Quantum AMC, Transcorp International, Consortium of Accredited Healthcare Organizations, also known as CAHO. We also wish to thank our support partners, Quick Matrix, Jade Luxury Banquets, Hyperlink Brand Solutions. Thank you. Back to you, Suman.